Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Dwarka Education. We'll start with the Python preparation. Let's start with the today's session, what we are going to discuss. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about what exactly the immutable and mutable objects in Python, and then we will discuss about is the Python support call by value or a call by reference. So when it will be supported call by value, when it will be supported call by reference. So it's a basic interview question that will be asked by the interviewer in nowadays. So you should aware about these things. So let's start with the first immutable and mutable objects. Just all of you know about immutable and immutable language, mutable and immutable objects, same as Java and other languages. But there is a some but Python we have the primary data types like numbers, string, tuples. Okay, these are immutable. Immutable means we cannot modify the actual object when we are passing to a function. It will not impact to the uh, it will change into the function, but it will not when it will be returned to the function, it will be not change that value. So in case of that I'm telling about the call by reference and call by value. So immutable objects, let's discuss about first what exactly the immutable object is and how immutable objects works. So let me just